All right, everybody, it is giveaway time, and again, welcome to another episode of Makina Stuff. This time, if you feature po natin yung bagong helmet galing Evo, it is their XR Carbon Series. Pretty exciting stuff indeed. Meron akong mga magandang balita na i-impart sa inyo about this helmet. Now, so kung napansin nyo, dumadami yung giveaways natin. Bakit? Because Moto Bazaar, a Moto Changge experience is already going to be happening really soon, October 19 and 20 dyan sa Bridgetown Destinations in Pasig. Yun naman, kung meron Makina Moto Expo na puro motor, ito naman puro accessories, up to 70% off discount on selected items. So maya't maya may dumarating sa Makina, mga bagong products, and of course, we're going to be giving them away. So right now, this is the XR Series carbon fiber helmet galing Evo. Very nice. First look at it. It is very sporty. Nice spoiler over there in the end. Before ko ito ipamigay, before we give away this helmet and two other models na galing sa Evo for a total of 5 helmets, kukwento ko muna to sa inyo, syempre. Let's talk about the shell. We have a light carbon matrix shell. So the point na naman kung bakit tayo nagka-carbon fiber is, syempre, gusto natin magaang. And at the same time, hindi nakakompromiso yung performance ng shell natin. So, pag magaang yung helmet, okay yon kasi pag nagra-ride ka at hindi ka nagkakaroon ng strain sa neck mo in the long run, believe you me, pag mabigat helmet mo, pag tumagal-tagal na yung ride mo, nakakapagod. At pag ikaw ay pagod na nagra-ride, hindi maganda yon. You're now prone to accidents. So, carbon fiber is good and it's excellent. Light and sturdy is important. Organic fibers is what Evo is saying that they have here. They may be pertaining to yung kanyang design, yung kanyang weave. It is organic looking actually. Ang isa pang in-improve on ng Evo, according to them, they also sorted out their ventilation system. So it's better sa series na ito. And I am actually looking at the vents dito. Malaki yung butas agad eh. And I see space na sometimes kasi yung mga ibang vents, pagbukas mo ng vent, kita mo na kagad yung laman loob dito sa inner shell. So parang inisip mo, saan ba dumadaan yung hangin? This one, if you take a look at the vents nila dito sa taas, makikita mo that there's a lot of space for the air to flow through, which is also very important. So ang vents po natin, meron tayong dito sa mouthpiece area. So this is your lever or little switch para magbukas dito. You have 2 holes coming in here. Air is gonna go through there. And of course, dito sa ating bumbunan, you have one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, exit ng ating hangin ay dito. So the vents are also very important. Ayaw natin maipon yung init sa mga ulo natin. Especially pag traffic, gusto mong nakabukas yung lahat para sumingaw. At pag medyo mabilis ka na tumakbo, hindi na standstill yung traffic, papasok mas lalong madidisperse yung heat ng helmet. At napaka-importante nun. So they worked on that as well. Ang isa pang sinort out nila dito is the design of the helmet in terms of yung aerodynamics niya. Ang aerodynamics ay importante sa helmet. Of course, we're lessening wind drag. Pag na-lessen din yung wind drag mo, it lowers down helmet noise. So, ang magagandang helmet, ang mga hinahanap natin ay lightweight at tahimik. Yung iba kasi will sacrifice weight para tahimik yung helmet. Admittedly, may mga mas mabibigat na helmet na mas tahimik. It's just more padding, di ba? So, ang key dito is paano mo mapapagaang yung helmet, matibay, protektado ulo mo at tahimik din. So, dyan nagkakaroon ng pamahal yung mga helmets up to mga 50,000-60,000 pesos. So, Evo is giving us an option that can try to get into that performance pero at an affordable price. And syempre, okay yun para sa ating mga consumers. The wind noise for this helmet is improved on from the previous and with the other designs ng Evo helmet as well. So, Evo said, inayos din nila yung aerodynamic. So, Comfort Fit Liner, this is what we have here. It's pretty much straight up. Ang nagpaiba dito sa mga ibang helmets kung saan I would say nakakatuwa siya is the perforations or yung mga butas natin dito sa gilid. Dito sa line na to, ito yung nagpapa-high-end ng look niya. Ito yung parang, racing high-end, di ba? So, these holes are very important pang tanggal din ng singaw ng init yan para hindi mainit yung foam. Quality is good. Yeah, helmet manufacturing just getting better and better compared to what we had like 10-15 years ago. Makikita mo talaga yung difference nowadays. So, tayo nakikinabang in this time. Good job on the liner too. Another important na dapat hinahanap natin sa helmet ay yung kanyang safety rating. So, itong helmet na ito passed the latest, which is the ECER 22.06. Kung walang ganyang rating ang helmet, huwag nyo nang isugal yung ulo nyo sa ganyan. If you have this rating and it is certified to that level, this is rated as a safe helmet. So, in terms of safety rating, it passed the latest. So check on that. Now, one of the biggest things na gusto natin makita sa helmet ay pag ito ay tanggap na sa racing community. Okay? So this already came out in Asia's Road Racing Championship or ARRC. Kung nanonood kayo makina, we covered that constantly. Umiikot tayo sa Thailand, Japan to watch our racers compete. And Evo is already there. Pumasa na siya. So it is FIM ready. Pag ito ay already nasa radar na ng mga racers, that's also a good thing for us non-racers. Talagang mas gusto natin sure ball, value for money para sa ating mga ulo. So this is checking a lot of the boxes actually. So price, okay. Carbon fiber siya, magaang, it passes safety standards. The lining has been improved, the aerodynamics has also been improved. Tanggap na siya sa FIM and it has already come out in ARRC. So it's checking all the boxes. Development and growth ngayon of Evo is actually, I would say, pretty good from the day na unang sila lumabas sa Pilipinas. So maganda yung growth nila. Not just in sales, in performance. Napaka-importante yun. Dapat may evolution tayo sa helmet, di ba? Dapat pagaling yung paggagawa ng helmet natin. It's giveaway time! So mamimigay tayo ng helmet. 5 helmet po. Mamimigay tayo ng isang helmet na parang ganito, XR Carbon Series. Not this particular one. This is an XL. Ako gagamit ito. I'm gonna use this first. And then, mamimigay tayo ng 2 SRX na helmet and TRX na helmet. So that's a total of 5. 2 SRX, 2 TRX, tsaka isang XR. Very generous of Evo. Thank you so much. So how to win? Madali lang, mas lalo na if you have been watching Makina for quite some time, you know what to do. Kailangan nyo lang po i-like and share itong video na ito with the hashtags EvoXR Carbon Helmets, Makina Moto Bazaar, a Moto Changge Experience and Test Ride Consortium, October 19 and 20, Bridgetown Destination Pasig. Napakaikli lang na hashtag. Isama po nyo yun sa share ninyo. Of course, tag Evo Helmets. Make sure you like and follow their pages as well. And then, pag nagawa nyo na lahat, na-share nyo na yun, paki-screenshot, tapos ilagay nyo sa comments below, mamimili po tayo and Evo Helmets ng winner natin. 5 winners po. So, good luck sa inyong lahat. For those who will win, abang-abang kayo sa Makina. We're gonna be announcing the winners mga 2 or 3 days before our event. Pag ikaw ay nanalo, of course, diretso lang po kayo sa Evo booth. Magdala kayo ng ID at i-claim niyo yung prize sa Evo booth. It's gonna be a great event. Makina Moto Bazaar, over 70% off on some items. Bibigyan ko kayo ng tip. Usually, yung ating discount naglalabasan yan by Sunday. Pasal pagpa-closing na. Yung mga natitirang items na gusto na lang itulak, bagsak presyo yan, all must go na. Problema lang doon, kung mag-aantay kayo ng Sunday, baka nabili na yan ng mga atat nung Sabado pa lang. So, kayo na bahala maglaro kung paano didiscarte yung mga gusto nyong items. So, again, thank you so much, Evo Helmets. You've been very generous and thank you so much for supporting the local riding community, the local events ng mga riders din. Maraming salamat. Kita-kita po tayo lahat. Again, October 19 and 20, Bridgetown Destination Pasig. See ya! Makina Stuff! Ciao!